Turner's waiting. Hustle up, Daniels.
Lieutenant.
Hold on. CO approaching!
All right, listen up. Charlie Company's under assault near the church. They need ammo and fire support. Send a squad immediately.
Sir, we're already stretched pretty thin.
Then stretch thinner.
Yes, sir.
We can take the jeep, so we're gonna need armored support.
All right, that's the plan. Perez! Pearson will follow you with the squad.
Can't do it. Just got orders from Collins. We're heading west with the 11th.
God damn it.
Those boys are running out of time.
You're on your own. Take the jeeps and head out. Move!
All right, snap to it. Charlie's up shit creek and we're the paddle. Let's go! Let's go!
Hey, which way to Marigny?
Follow this road at the next village over. Big turn coming! Go easy! The road splits up ahead! Keep an eye out for retreating crowds! They'll run right on top of Charlie Company! We gotta get there first! Swing left! Look out! Dangerous crowds up ahead! Keep going! All right! Come on in! Rangers ahead! Watch out! Close one!
Taking fire! Need reinforcements! We're
Almost
pinned
there!
down!
Floor it!
Which way?
Ah! Straight! Go straight!
Hold on!
Hard right! Shit!
Suspect! Grab the wheel! I'm getting on the gun!
I'm on it! Enemy jeep! Grab jeep! Dead ahead!
Can't hold them much longer!
Charlie's counting on us!
Road blocked!
There's an opening! Hold on! Enemy troops! Out to the right! Straight ahead! Take him out! Almost there! Hang on! Charlie Company's in that house!
Cowboys here!
They're all over the house! Boy, coming in! Turn to the left! Don't let up! That's all you got!
They're falling back!
Clean up the rest!
Set up a perimeter by the road. Just a few more. All clear. Rally up.
We gotta stop meeting like this.
Why don't you be going soft on me, Murphy?
Well, thanks for showing up when you did.
Thank Captain Davis. It was his orders. Okay. It's too late to press on. So it looks like you boys got a reprieve.
Excuse me, Sergeant.
Yeah.
Isn't half the crowd army on the other side of those buildings? Shouldn't we find a better place to set up a perimeter?
Sure, Private. Why don't you book us a room at the Ritz?
Sir. He's scared as all.
Why don't you worry about your own problems? Like how that side is gonna hold up tomorrow.
I'm right as rain, Sergeant.
Daniels, why don't you watch him? The only thing more dangerous than the enemy is pride. Rest up, boys. We take Marigny at first light.